How to automatically change lock screen wallpaper on sleep mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change your wallpaper automatically when you're sleep mode on Samsung. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your settings menu and then simply scroll down a bit until you see modes and routines. So what you're going to do is create a new mode when you're on a sleep mode to change your wallpaper. So go ahead and click on sleep on the very first option. Now if you want, you can turn on the sleep mode, but what you can try to do is scroll down and change the appearance. Here, just tap on lock screen and you have a bunch of options to choose from. You can also select a picture from your gallery or your themes. So simply choose anything that you want to change. It could be a photo or a video of your on your lock screen wallpaper. For example, this is a video. So you can do that as well and just tap on done. And whenever your phone is on sleep, it will automatically change your wallpaper. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.